Guys, let's make this sarsyadong tilapia fish. That's how we call it, guys. Filipinos love this recipe. Yum yum, let's get started. Seasoned with salt and pepper, guys. We fry our tilapia fish on both sides. Now that our fish is fully cooked, guys, as you can see, it's nicely fried. Wow, it's perfect. Let's set this aside. So using the same pan, guys, let's saute our onions. If it's too much oil, guys, you can scoop out the rest of your oil. Just like this, guys. Let's add our minced garlic. And now let's add our fresh tomatoes, guys. Fresh tomatoes. Cook it down nicely. I'm adding a little piece of chicken cube, guys. And make sure that it's melted nicely. This will boost, guys, or enhance the flavor. It helps to enhance the flavor, guys. This is how we want it, guys. Now that our tomatoes are nicely cooked, we can add our bell pepper. This is optional, guys. I just want a little taste, and the aroma of these bell peppers, guys, is gonna be nice and perfect with this fish, tilapia. Now it's time to add a little water, guys. It depends on how many fish you're going to cook. But mine is just one piece. That's why I'm adding a little bit of water. Let's add also our fish sauce. I'm using fish sauce, guys. And now that it's nicely boiling, guys, let's add back our fish, tilapia, fried fish tilapia. Wow! It's looking great. Let's add our egg. I'm using one egg, guys. Beaten eggs. Beat your eggs and let's add this egg. Just like this, guys. Put it slowly, add it slowly. Just like this, and mix it nicely. Mix it right away, guys. Mix it right away. So it's just a little bit of egg. Just like this, guys. So mix it right away. And this is it. Wow! Yum, yum. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys.